you ask?
It is always important to be weather aware, and having a safety kit is a good little tool to keep in your toolbox or keep in your safe place. So we're gonna build a safety kit together. Now there's two parts of the safety kit. The first one is one that you're actually gonna leave in your safe place at all times. The second half are things that you're gonna put in the event you have to go to your safe place. So let's put the stuff in that we're hoping collects dust in your safe location. One of the first things, pretty obvious. Water. Always good to keep water, not only in the event of severe weather, but if you were to have a tragic incident at your house, you're gonna need some good, clean water. Staying on the same lines, food. Canned food items are great to keep in there. Just remember to set a reminder on your phone to change them out because they do expire. And if you do have canned foods that don't necessarily have the pull lid, you're also gonna need a can opener. So put those right on in there, and of course, always good to have bowls, as well as some cups and cutlery. Formula might be a good thing to put in here too, as well as diapers. Next things up, scissors. In the event of a devastating situation, we have neighborhoods wiped out and you don't know which house used to be where. So it's always good to have a Sharpie and you can actually write your address on some plywood outside of your home. And if your home's gone, you're not gonna know where your Sharpies are. So just keep some in here for safekeeping. Multi-tool. You've got everything you need, even a little knife, in a very safe, quaint spot. A box cutter, always real helpful to have with you. Obviously, a flashlight with some extra batteries. And we keep a few flashlights. This one has a little strobe on it, which is helpful if you were needing someone to come find you and pick you up, so you can kind of wave it around. We've got tissues because we do not want any excuses when it comes to leaving our safe place. Pins. Ready to use floss and toothpaste. Got the gloves to protect your hands if there were to be broken glass around. Band-Aids just in case that you get cut. A safety and first aid kit. Socks because it can get really cold. And then also a blanket to keep you warm, but it also can protect debris from moving in. Vaseline, candles, and then medication. You want enough medication that can last you 7 days. For you, your pets, your family, everybody. Make sure all of that is labeled and kept up to date. Sometimes we have tornado warnings back to back and the little ones are wanting to get out, they want to play. Understandable, they're young. Have some fun toys in there. Even a little board where you can play tic-tac-toe is handy. If you got to pull out the iPad, the real one, fake one, whatever you got to do to keep everybody in a safe place. So this would be your severe weather kit that you keep handy all the time. You just quickly latch it. You can also sit on it in case you don't want to go to the ground, and you're going to keep your helmet. Now when it comes to last minute things to put in there, I always take my jewelry box, put it in the kit as well, keeping everything in a safe place. Also, your security card, your birth certificate, and in the event that you have your home destroyed, you're going to need identification that you live there, more than a driver's license. They do prefer 2 bills with your name and address on it. And then of course, your sweet little tennis shoes. We put all of this in our severe weather safety place when we are under a tornado watch. And we always have our severe weather radio handy that will alert us when we need to go to our safe place. Plus, of course, you've got your News Channel 5 Storm Watch app. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll walk through it together.